Tower Jazz 277 RNF 08 left.
Jazz 277 Vancouver Tower number 24777, short final, wind 120 to 11, clear to land, early 08 left.
Clear to land 08 left, Jazz 277.
Try account 346, check. You're going to 115 Tower Hospital.
I'm just trying to get a sight on them. I think I got the one that was the first and the 115.
Get a 115 Roger, continue Juliet to the gate, Gate or Canada 115, we'll talk. Canada 346, good with company, taxi via Juliet Charlie, Kilo, Victor, Hold Short Hotel. Okay, with company, taxi Juliet, Kilo, Victor, and Hold Short Hotel, County 46. Turkish 75 Delta Tower, taxi via Mike Pop and the apron on this frequency.
Mike Papa, remain on this frequency, Turkish 75 Delta.
Turkana 346 ground, you're not taking Juliet, it's Juliet Charlie, straight ahead to Kilo, Victor, Short Hotel.
Yes, sir, that's Juliet Charlie, straight to Kilo, Victor, and Alter Hotel, County 46.
Thank you.
Tower Jazz 346 RNF 08 left.
Jazz 346 Vancouver Tower, number 212 2 miles final, wind 09010, clear to land, runway 08 left.
Clear to land 8 left, Jazz 346.